Welcome to my channel. My name is David, and today what I'm going to be doing is I will be doing a uh, cleaning schedule that I've been wanting to do. And basically, I started planning on one, and this is the first one that I came up with. It's not quite the way I wanted to do it, and so I've decided I'm going to redo these two pages and do a proper cleaning schedule for the planner pages. Um, I'm just with these. I'm just practicing a little bit on doing sketching and doing stickers and doing just watercolors, just to see how it comes out, and I will see how the pages come out. Uh, is what I've done. I decided to do some sketches and just do some pencil drawings and just do pencil drawings to do the kind of ideas that I wanted. I kind of wanted to do a kind of folk art kind of sketching just so that I could see how it would look. And this is kind of how it came out. I looked at pictures online, and that's I just kind of drew them myself. And this is the kind of ideas that I had in mind of what I wanted to do. Um, they're quite basic, the drawings. I just found them quite easy to do, and just kind of wanted to get things to go the way I wanted to do. These drawings are basically for doing watercolors, just to practice. I'm going to put photocopy these onto other paper, and just to so that I can just practice to do these drawings, and to put them into color. Overall, I don't know what this is going to look like. I tested it a little bit, and I will go from there. Here are some drawings that I've colored already. This was my first attempt after doing the ones in the actual first pages. I tried them with a different color to see if I wanted them like this. This really wasn't what I wanted. I wanted the other color that I had already started. So even though these came out quite interesting, I wasn't that happy with the color. So I just kind of stuck with the initial pages that I'd done, and so I'll be doing that next. So this is just trial and error, and this is why I try to use photocopies, because with the photocopies you can practice a lot of them without actually destroying your drawings. Because if you do the drawings and you're not happy with it, you've got to start all over again. So with doing the photocopies, you can just practice your colors and get them to be the way that you want them to be. Here I've done the drawings that I wanted to do, and I've gone back to the color that I'd started originally. I kind of liked this color a lot more, and it just came out more interesting as I wanted it. So now I'm going to just take all these color drawings that I've done, and I'm just going to see how they fit on the page, and just to see how they work on an interesting way of doing it. Um, I did find it that the tree was really a lot more work than I thought. I made two of these trees that I'm going to put on the pages, and we're going to see the overall look. I've already kind of planned the page the way I want it, so I'll be doing the page that I planned for this. This the pages that the page the way I want it to look. I'm going to start gluing this down. Um, it's going to be quite interesting. And then when I've done the page, I'm going to fill it in. This is basically a page for cleaning, just to make cleaning notes. When you do a page like this, when you do a cleaning page, it doesn't necessarily have to be something boring. And I'll be using the other sides of the pages as well, because I'll be cutting it in half, and then I'll be using the other side of the pages to actually complete the cleaning page look that I want to do. I finished the actual planner pieces that I was going to do. I just had some extra ones, and then I decided to put them on here on these other two pages, just so that I could just use them up, the collage pieces that I've done, and it came out all right. I still got to improve my method of writing here, which is what I want to do, and I will just figure it out as I go along. This is my laundry list and my cleaning list. This is what I've made, and it came out really well. I'm quite pleased with the whole way the collage thing worked. It's kind of like I made stickers. I will try this method again and to see where I'm going to go. I really like the kind of folk art that I found. It's really nice and it's really simple to draw, and to color it wasn't too bad. I like the green color more, even though I made another color, I wasn't happy with it at all. So this is basically my cleaning schedules and my cleaning techniques and my cleaning lists that I'm going to be doing. And, I'm just going to follow it in general. I'm going to also use this with post-its. So I will be deciding on what day I'm going to do what and when, and just to have some organization. The other thing is I realize I'm going on holiday some other time. So I've got to just include that into my planner and just make sure that I've got to do it in a good schedule. The other thing I've got to do is windows. I forgot to write on this list windows, which I will fill in. That needs to be done first, and then I can do curtains and then dusting shelves. The other thing I will be doing is I'll be also getting rid of a lot of extra books and uh, bits and pieces that I don't really need anymore. I will be getting rid of papers, and I'll be getting rid of old yarns and old craft stuff. I'll be getting rid of some files as well, some arch lever files which I don't need anymore, and I'll just be clearing up and to get more space. Sometimes what I find is that you don't need a lot of stuff. You've outgrown certain things, and then sometimes it's a great when you do cleaning to get rid of those things that you don't want. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I don't know what I'm going to do next on the next project. I kind of have an idea about doing some bit more artwork, and then placing that onto a page and maybe photocopying it to fit, and then I'll use it in that technique. So I will see you in the next video, and please please subscribe and leave a comment, and if you got any ideas you'd like to share, I would love to hear them, and I will see you in the next video.